I'm Aurora, and this lesson is about what an adverb is, and most of all, how most adverbs are formed in the Italian grammar. First of all, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word used to give more information to the verb. It can modify or specify the word to which they are referred to. Adverbs often answer the questions come, how, quando, when, or dove, where. In English, you can transform an adjective into an adverb by adding ly. For example, quickly, slowly, or softly. You have to do something similar in Italian, so let's see some rules. If you have an adjective ending with o, for example, lento, slow, you have to switch it in the feminine, so lenta, and then you will add mente, lentamente, lentamente. So it comes from lento to lenta, and then it becomes lentamente, slowly. Another example would be fortunato. You switch it to the feminine, fortunata, and then it becomes fortunatamente, that's luckily. For example, Jessie corre lentamente. Jessie runs slowly. Fortunatamente, Marco sta bene. Luckily, Marco is well. If the adjective ends in e, you just have to add mente. For example, veloce, velocemente. That's quickly. Recente, recent, recentemente, recently. Io cammino velocemente, I walk quickly, or ha scoperto la verità solo recentemente, he only recently discovered the truth. If the adjective ends in le, le, or re, re, you have to drop the final e and add mente. For example, facile, you cross off the e and add mente, facilmente, like this. That's easy. Particolare, particolarmente, particularly. Puoi farlo facilmente. You can do it easily, or non sono particolarmente preoccupata. I'm not particularly worried. I hope you liked the lesson of today. Put a thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe, and remember, verde, bianco, rosso. Bye!